Today, we'll walk you through a quick demo of the AweMe MVP, a platform for parents and educators to assess possible learning disabilities in youth and generate individualized learning plans. Using synthetic data, we'll simulate a user interaction to show how the system processes inputs in real time. Our goal is to demonstrate both the user interface and how the MVP performs in a real-world context. Meet Samira. She's a 38-year-old mom of a bright and imaginative 7-year-old named Lila. While Lila thrives creatively, she's been struggling with reading and writing. Samira's noticed signs, letter reversals, frustration with simple words, and wonders if it could be a learning disability, like dyslexia. She starts Googling, but the internet is a whirlwind of articles, checklists, and conflicting advice. She doesn't want to self-diagnose or jump to conclusions. What she really wants is clarity. Something simple, something guided, a way to understand what's happening with Lila and what to do next, without waiting months for a specialist referral or spending thousands on assessments. That's when she finds the AweMe AI-driven screening tool. Samira sees a clear prompt, and she is encouraged to explore. She completes a screening questionnaire with questions about Lila's reading habits, struggles, and behavior. The system analyzes her answers using advanced AI language capabilities. When she logs into her dashboard, she can see a gentle explanation that some signs are consistent with dyslexia in non-alarming, plain language. Samira receives a clear, specialist-approved, AI-generated screening result that explains whether Lila shows signs consistent with dyslexia. A personalized individualized education plan she can review and bring to Lila's school or pediatrician. A practical to-do list outlining her next steps, like reviewing the IEP plan, scheduling a meeting with her school or an expert, starting at-home support. After completing the process, Samira feels a deep sense of relief. For the first time, she has clarity, not just questions. The AI screening gave her a clear direction, and the personalized IEP draft and to-do list made the path forward feel manageable. She no longer feels like she's navigating this alone. She feels empowered, informed, and ready to advocate for Lila with confidence.